Subscribe to Getsmart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. So, what's up guys, Rick here, helping you to master your technology. So, this video is about unboxing the new Xiaomi's Mi 8 and Mi 8 SE, and a quick overview. So let's get started. It owns a 20-megapixel high-powered front camera, sensors, earpiece, and additional infrared lighting and lens to support 3D face scanning. The box is so usual. It contains the essential stuff from the cable, to the charger, opening pin, and the case, etc. Xiaomi has announced its new flagship phone, the Mi 8, and yes, it's the company's first phone with a notch. The Mi 8 has a 6.21-inch OLED screen from Samsung, wrapping around a fairly large notch that houses a 20-megapixel selfie camera. The notch is pretty wide compared to Huawei's or LG's, but it's got something similar to the iPhone X. During the launch, Xiaomi simply called it Face ID, which is a straightforward copy from Apple's book. The phone has a four-way curved glass back panel and an aluminum frame. Inside there's Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon 835 processor, and the new 12-megapixel dual-camera setup apparently scores 105 on Getsmart, for what it's worth. Xiaomi also says that this is the first phone ever to use dual-frequency GPS, which is supposed to give more accurate location data. Xiaomi's numbered Mi flagships tend to be extremely good phones for the price, if not especially cutting-edge. Xiaomi's Mi 8 is the best iPhone X recreation yet. The new Android phone from China will feature infrared cameras for face unlocking and gesture controls. Sounds familiar? Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi has a new flagship phone, and well, it honestly kinda looks like Apple's iPhone X. The Xiaomi Mi 8 follows last year's Mi 6, skipping the 7 to mark the company's 8th year. It shares a similar notch design and vertical rear cameras to Apple's device. It will also come with infrared cameras located at the notch for face unlocking, a feature also available on the iPhone X. Mi 8 is the world's first smartphone to come with dual-frequency GPS. The Mi 8 will run Xiaomi's custom Mi 10 skin on top of Android. Xiaomi didn't say which version, but it's likely Oreo. The new, updated skin will feature gesture controls and a driving mode that uses Xiaomi's own Xiaomi voice assistant. It will also support portrait mode for single-camera phones. This helps in reducing inaccuracies in GPS tracking caused due to interfaces like buildings and signal delays. Xiaomi has made some changes in the UI visually, to make it look cleaner and more optimized for full-screen usage. The company also reveals that the OS is being used by over 190 million users worldwide. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining, informing, enjoyable, do me a favor, click that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.